अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. You all are Atmarup, brothers and sisters. In the third chapter, Bhagwan Shri Mayananda Chaitanya has given us the startling revelation of Tattvamasi with its parallel Ksara, Akshara and Purushottama. This Tripurti is a threefold unity, naturally conceived in the thing in itself. Now, in the fourth chapter, Bhagwan Shri Mayananda Chaitanya leads us to explore into the infinite vastness of Ksara. In the beginning, he says that there are 8 components in Ksara, the vast visible universe. These 8 components are 5 elements and 3 gunas: earth, water, air, fire, and space. These are the 5 elements, and Satva guna, Raja guna, and Tamo guna. This is the threefold energy which revolves ceaselessly in the Ksara Swarupa. These 8 components in the vast visible universe revolve round and round, selflessly. So, Shri Mayananda Chaitanya now demonstrates how to identify these 5 elements in the Adhisthana and in the whole universe. Now, watch the demonstration very carefully. He starts with the Adhisthana. Says that direct experience starts with sensory experiences. So he asks us to observe the lump of sugar candy with our eyes. When we see this candy with our eyes, we see that there is a form visible here. In the same way, we visualize or we see the form everywhere in the universe. This form is called Rupa. It is visibility. We see with our eyes the form of the candy. Likewise, we see this form as countless forms with ceaseless infinity. This form or the ceaseless visibility is called Rupa, which is the unit of the element of fire. And our eyes are the functional organs of the unit of fire, of the element of fire, that is Agni Tattva. So our eyes, the visibility which is Rupa, and the source of this two is the element of fire. This is a threefold unity. But the element of fire manifests itself in the visibility and also in our eyes. Likewise, with the remaining 4 senses, we can observe the indivisibility of the existence everywhere in the universe, including this Adhisthana. So with the sense of touch, when we touch this lump with our palms, some touch is felt here. Likewise, the touch is indivisible everywhere in the universe. Now, sound this sugar candy. Some sound is discernible here. Likewise, our ears perceive that multiple sounds are pervaded in the universe. So, now, test the sugar candy with our tongue. Our tongue conveys that it has some taste. Likewise, the whole universe is filled with multiple tastes, which is called a rasa. So we can identify the element of water with the perception of rasa everywhere in the universe. Our fifth sense organ is nose. Now smell the sugar candy. Some odor is discernible here. Likewise, the universe is filled with multiple odors which we perceive with our nose. In this way, we have perceived in the thing Shabd, Sparsha means sound, touch, form, taste and smell. With five senses, though we felt these separately, these five elements and the five tanmatras which we experience in this lump cannot be separated from one another. Thus our five senses has given us the experience that right from the adhisthana, including ourselves, the existence is indivisible, one and the same. Though these are distinctly perceived, it cannot be separated from the thing in itself. Thus, now he asks us that these five elements constitute the entire fabric of the universe. These five subtle elements are named as five tanmatras: Shabd, Sparsha, Roop, Ras and Gandh. Experienced through our five senses: eyes, sense of touch, ears, tongue and nose. But the source of these five senses and the tanmatras are the five great elements in the universe. You can observe the unity of these three in the following table, which will be exhibited afterwards. These five elements all descriptive sciences end in this sense perceptions. Now, the subtle elements, which is the cosmic energy, the threefold forces of nature, Satva Guna, Rajo Guna and Tamo Guna, are beyond the access of our five senses. Our senses cannot perceive them, but mind, being the mind infused with the three gunas, mind can see, observe it from their nature and functions. Akhanda Mandalakar. Here ends chapter 4th of the Sarvangayoga, entitled Ksara Bhavasthita Pañcikaranam योग,